Hey yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. So let's start this video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make a public Snapchat account. So now remember, this feature is not available in everybody's Snapchat. It's still on beta mode, so it's available in some Snapchat. It's not available in Snapchat. On some Snapchat, it's on trial mode. So basically, if like these settings are not available in your phone, then basically like you do not have the Snapchat hasn't provided you the ability to test this. So it's on beta mode, so it may be available in some's phone, it may not be available in some's phone. This technique may work or may not work for you, but follow these steps if you have this function. So click on your profile picture and then click on your setting. Once you're on your setting, scroll down until you see who can, and on your who can, put everything over here to everyone. So my contact me is on my friend, I can click on everyone, go back and use my cam selfie on everyone, back, view my story on everyone and back. After setting this to everyone and back, click on send my notification, it's on everyone, see my quick ad, and as you guys can see all over here, make sure it's put on everyone. And after you do that, come back, and when you come back you can see my spotlight and snap map. If you don't have this feature where it says spotlights and snap map, then you do not have the ability to do this. So right now I do not have it right now as well. As you guys can see, I only have my spotlight favorite. So you're gonna have tap just like this where it says spotlight and my snap map, and once you have it, you can click on the three dot like this right beside it, and once you click on it, their menu should open up, and on that menu you should have create a public account over there, and once you click on it, you can follow all that step and create a public account. And if you do not have a tab like my spotlight and my snap map just like me, then you guys cannot create it. So it's still in beta mode, so you guys everyone cannot have it. So some people can only have it. So if you don't have it, then that means Snapchat hasn't provided you the ability to do that. And there's a way to go around it. The way to go around it is to get like substantial view on your Snapchat story. Basically, like you need to get about 30 or 40k views on your Snapchat story daily. Then Snapchat will acknowledge you as a creator and you'll get a public account. And the another way is to create Snapchat lens. You need to create 5 or 6 Snapchat lens, or more than that, sometimes it's 10. And then Snapchat will view you as a creator because you're creating a lens for Snapchat, and you can get public account as well. So these are another way if you don't have this feature. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can make a public account on Snapchat in 2021. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.